therapy is key to relieving stress for many hospital patients, but it isn't just for people seeking treatment.
Now at a hospital in Vancouver, it's also for the healthcare staff. CBC's Yasmin Gandam met up with the Pooches, who are bringing a little peace and calm to frontline workers.
Ready? Now, good boy!
Smiles and laughter as nurses and hospital staff pet their new furry friends, taking a well-deserved break from their demanding work. Even though this program has been around for some time for patients, the pandemic has shown how much it's also needed for healthcare workers.
It's signaled to all of us that staff and providers need extra support, extra care, little extra attention, and we recognize how difficult it's been for them. Pet therapy is just one small way that we're able to say we recognize how challenging it is for staff.
This is hi. Come say hi.
The idea came about when staff were asked what they wanted for Christmas. They all had the same answer: dogs.
We don't find much opportunity for quiet in this job. There's a lot of noise all the time and stimulation, and we're just a bit away from that for physically, but then also mentally. It just helps our brains to sort of quiet down.
McCormick says the pandemic has been especially difficult, taking a physical and emotional toll on frontline workers while straining the overall healthcare system. Time with these pooches allows them some rest and to recharge.
Nurses tend to give 100% of themselves to this profession, and it's really hard to pull them away from their job when they're at work. And as one of the leaders, my job is to help give them a little bit of a break, and having the dog there just really gives them that motivation.
The positive impact of the dogs has been visible.
If you see a caregiver coming off a really complicated situation on the floor and they're interacting, we can see a visible relief that can happen. We see smiling, we see laughter, we see snuggling with dogs, grown adults. It's wonderful.
The dogs visit staff at least once a week, and it's safe to say it's a treat for the healthcare workers here at BC Children's Hospital. Yasmin Gandam, CBC News, Vancouver.